Hello DCN Army, welcome back to a brand new episode. Good afternoon to all of you who are also new to the channel. Make sure you subscribe down below. That continues to motivate us on posting every single Wednesday. And we of course at the DCN show are going to keep you updated on everything happening in the Web3 space. Stay tuned until the very end and you'll have the 4 articles that we shared in today's video also in the description down below for you to check out. But we're going through a couple of the important points in each article. Let's go ahead and begin with the first one. First article that we have here with us today is speaking about the largest crypto exchange, Binance, received now the operational minimum viable product license in Dubai, which basically grants them the opportunity to now offer all of their services in the nation. And this is huge for Dubai. It's also huge for Binance to get that exposure out there in that area of the world as well. So it's also now the first exchange in Dubai to receive this type of license. This has been granted by the Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, and it allows Binance to offer regulated virtual asset services, which include on-ramp and off-ramp services as far as payment gateways, and also investor protection and market assurance standards. The Binance subsidiary company will actually be the one that is getting this operational provisional license. This is Binance FZE at Dubai, looking very crypto friendly and exciting updates coming from that region of the world. Here we are with the second article of today's video, taking us to none other than a big article, a big report covering basically a research that's been conducted by CoinGecko. They've indicated that 2/3 of the 30 largest global banks in the world by assets under management are supporting crypto trading through regulated exchanges. Among those top 50 banks worldwide, around 74% support crypto trading by connecting to regulated exchanges, but none of them support retail crypto trading or on-ramping from native platforms. So this, at this moment, is actually something that hasn't happened yet for the average household. However, they are supporting crypto, and according to this research, it seems like the biggest assets under management are looking really into the future that can be with crypto, and it's really exciting. Chinese banks also dominate the list of non-crypto friendly banks, on the other hand. So they manage $19.87 trillion in assets under management, which constitutes over 20% of the total. And cryptocurrency trading is still outlawed on the mainland of China, of course. However, the slow adoption of blockchain and crypto by big banks is attributed to strict regulations, market volatility, and recent exchange failures, notably what's happened with FTX as of lately. And there's also been a new hack today where a lot of funds have also been stolen. Insane what's happening in the crypto market space. But if you tune into the DCN show, you will know that we have certain values here, and that is only to just do the research, zoom out, and stay afloat. This is happening right now. Exciting stuff coming from this article. Thank you. Let's move on to the third article of today's video, taking us to Meta, the parent company of the biggest social media channels and companies of the world, especially in the Western world. Meta remains, of course, committed to the Metaverse, despite having lost $13.7 billion in 2022 and a total cost of over $20 billion since 2021 due to the pivot of the Metaverse. So Meta still remains, however, optimistic about the space and the vision of the Metaverse, and that's been stated by none other than the CEO, Mark Zuckerberg. So Meta's focus on the Metaverse has not been profitable yet, but Facebook Reality Labs division responsible for the Metaverse, reporting significant losses in recent years, is sticking to their guns and looking to come up with new and exciting ways to actually bring the Metaverse to reality, although some will say and already argue that the Metaverse has already arrived or it's been here. Mark Zuckerberg has emphasized that their investments in AI and the Metaverse are long-term horizons, acknowledging the risk involved but believing it aligns with the future direction of the world. So, it is something huge that they're taking on here, and they're not holding back at all, having already invested so much money. Meta's recent earnings showed an increase in net income and revenue, and their family of apps, including Facebook and Instagram, of course, increased in daily active users. So the Threads app saw a significant drop, though, in active users since its launch. The stock closed slightly higher on Wednesday and showed positive after hours trading. Here we are with the fourth article of today's video, taking us to the world's largest asset manager. After taking you through this article here that you will find in the description down below, none other than the world's largest asset manager has now recommended a high BTC portfolio allocation. This is exciting and quite interesting as well, what they've shared as well. So it appears that they're going all in on Bitcoin, having recently applied for a spot ETF application to the SEC. They see the functionality, they see Satoshi Nakamoto's vision, they see why Bitcoin is the digital gold, they see why Bitcoin is praised to be the coin of freedom. BlackRock has also filed for a Bitcoin spot ETF, as we mentioned earlier, and though it hasn't been approved yet by the SEC, the first response deadline is set for September 2nd, and we again will keep you updated with that in our Telegram. The link will be in the description down below. And everyone who's tuning in to the DCN show, we appreciate you so much, and stay tuned for next week's video. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.